Okay, so here I have all the ingredients ready. I will go through it bit by bit later. Preheat the oven to 170 degrees. And then here I'm trying to apply some oil around the tin and the base so I can put the baking sheet on it later. Sorry for the very rusty tin here, because this is the first time that I bake since so long, so this is the only one that I can find in the house. Finally, I can move on to the next step. Sift around 50 grams of cocoa powder into a bowl. At some point here, I was thinking, why am I using a spoon but not a whisk? So we finally changed it to a whisk and continue. This is so much better. After you get the smooth paste, add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. After that, we can use a small bowl and add 150 grams ground almonds with half teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda and a pinch of salt. And then I asked my boyfriend to film me doing this, but I didn't know he was filming my face as well. Anyway, add 200 grams of sugar, 150 ml olive oil, and 3 eggs into the bowl. Mix all the ingredients for about 3 minutes until it looks creamy. Trust me, this is an exercise and I feel tired already. My arm was so sore and I have to swap with Oscar. Last but not least, add the ground almond mixture in. Now we can add it into the tin. Ooh, that looks good. Put in the oven and bake for 45 minutes. I don't know why I'm even struggling to put it in the oven.
There's a lion on Mount Perry Road in Gray Shot. It was heading west in a hurry. Looks like a jaguar or a wolf or something.
Zanesville really woke up the public about the fact that there could be dangerous wild animals.
안 돼요.